GFAI has announced its key financial results for the full year 2024. The company reported flat revenue of $36.3 million compared to the previous fiscal year, while narrowing the net loss by 80% from FY 2023 to a loss of $5.9 million. The loss per share improved to 53 cents from $4.53 in the previous fiscal year, as well as a gross profit increase of 16.1% compared to the previous year. Looking forward, Guardforce AI's revenue is predicted to grow at an average rate of 4.1% over the next 2 years. In 2024, Guardforce AI made significant progress in shifting its revenue mix towards higher margin offerings, resulting in that gross profit improvement compared to 2023 and a 20.7% decrease in selling, distribution, and administration expenses due to effective cost reduction strategies. The company serves over 25,000 retail stores globally, with retail becoming one of their top client segments. They also advanced their robotics as a service model across the Asia-Pacific region and established a core technology foundation for their AI-powered travel planning agent, DVGO. Deep Voyage Go, DVGO, is an AI-powered travel planning tool that uses specialized AI agents to reduce planning time from days to hours while delivering personalized itineraries. Designed for both travel professionals and individual users, the initial rollout focuses on in-depth travel needs analysis, premium itinerary planning, and communication to improve efficiency. Currently available by invitation only, DVGO will eventually be subscription-based and will initially target the US market before expanding into the Asia-Pacific region. GFAI aims to build on this momentum in 2025 by strengthening its secured logistics foundation, expanding its retail client base, investing in AI research and development, and extending its smart retail and travel-focused AI solutions globally. The company is well-positioned to accelerate its AI solution strategy, backed by a strong balance sheet with approximately $23.4 million in cash, cash equivalents, and restricted cash. For more on GFAI and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.